Something sweet is in the air, healthy and gold beyond compare. In the air fryer, hear them dance, chickpeas and almonds. A second chance, 10 minutes wait, then 10 more to go. Watch them turn crisp, nice and slow. So crunchy, so good, sweet and nutty, a golden delight. No sugar needed, it's feeling so right. Our little Lorenda, crunchy and sweet, Pabubu's kitchen, magical treat. Healthy heart, the light start every day. Butter and stevia bubbling in the pan, coating every piece, following the sun, turn it to brown. A caramel glow, wait for a moment, let the flavor grow. Half an hour in the cold, let it stay, chasing the cravings the healthy way. Snap it in half, hear that sound, the best little snack that I've ever found. Sweet and nutty, a golden delight. No sugar needed, it's feeling so right. Our little Lorenda, crunchy and sweet, Pabubu's kitchen, a magical treat. A bite of